Here we are, the blizzard of December 2009. Quite a large amount of snow we got just coming up the front yard. You can see it's all the way up to the mailbox, which is pretty high. I've shoveled a little path out here, and we shoveled some yesterday, but then we got about another foot after that, so it's beautiful though. Just take a little look up the street here. How deep is the snow, Ty?
It's around 1.5 feet this deep. Over here, as you can see, it is literally up to my knees. Whoa.
Let me see how much is up to me.
Yeah, and
Okay, don't get yourself all wet.
Oh, don't worry, my boots are awesome.
Where's Alex at?
He can't find his gloves.
That's because you're wearing them.
My stomach up here.
Oh man, Julia, how high is it?
Up to my stomach.
Okay, we'll come back later.
Oh, let me show you one thing.
Okay.
This right over here.
Oh, cool. Well,
it's compressed on the bottom.
Cool.
That's how I got the bottom.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, ow!
Alex, what are you doing?
No,
I am going to throw all the stuff back onto the trail.
Oh, this is pretty cool.
Dad, look, Dad. I mean, now we're gonna make some more steps.
I'm cleaning up all the work he has done.
Oh my gosh, it's up to my knees.
And over here is our snow sofa, which will become snowboard someday.
Alex, what are you making?
A snow house.
Looks like you hit dirt down there.
Yeah, you gotta throw it back.
Okay, so this is our snow fort.
Yeah. It's a two-seater.
We're
we
gonna make
use
it larger.
shovels to go inside of it, and you see, as I get out,
it's got a solid roof right here.
Yes, solid roof. And then it's a two-seater, and you get like squished in.
Okay, and I'm running the Ford. That's what you hear the sound here.
It's actually,
It could fit a
We actually dug out the driveway, most of it. We still have a little part to do.
baby could sit in here too.
if we make it larger.
Hey Ty, what's going on?
Well, we have a 30-inch snowstorm, and it's going to keep on snowing until tonight.
Have you finished shoveling the driveway?
Yeah, look, we've already done all of it.
Oh my gosh.
We already shoveled it twice.
This is pretty amazing. Let's go out in the street. A lot of trees are bent over.
Wish Nathan could be here.
Let's see.
Really building.
Alex, what are you doing up there?
He's shoveling the front steps.
This is pretty amazing.
This is building up a lot of muscle. Oh yeah, I reached the steps. Haha.
Do you think our paper's out there somewhere?
No.
Okay, here I am inside the kids' snow cave. Oh, there's Ty way out there. You did what?
I built it.
Okay, cool. Oh, this is pretty cool in here. I just hope it doesn't fall down. Oh, you got an air hole up here, I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Come up.
This is an awesome snow fort. It goes really far back. I can go all the way back here. It's longer than my walking stick. And then that's a wall I built to protect it against the wind with big chunks. Like this right here. I'm not wearing gloves right now, so. Like this.
Where's the air hole at?
The air hole is actually half covered by this chunk here.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's in there.
All right.
Yeah. Alright, this one's a little smaller than my other fort. It's where we store all of our icicles. It keeps everything cold. It's almost like our ice box. It's not very tall. It used to be a lot taller. I don't know, it must have shrank. Oh, okay. See, there's an icicle. This is an icicle here. Icicle here. Here.
A lot of snow, huh?
Yeah.